That's her butt. Don't touch it.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Oh my god!
Take it to the garage. Go. Take it to the garage. Go.
You and I are so much alike, it's sick.
Oh, how cute is that?
Human's shoulder is high enough to watch everything and stay safe. Definitely strategic for sleeping.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. Fucking stop.
Friend, oh hello! Hello! Oh my god.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Happy birthday to you. All right, there you go, buddy. Good boy.
That's right.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
What are you doing?
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Stop.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren, you sit there.
Not to let your cat pet you.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
tú no las tienes.
Am I scary enough yet, human? Don't let my size fool you and mess with me.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Get used to it, doggo. Not everyone is chosen by this famously picky fella.
And they did it?
Get to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
It's your cat.
When he was in Georgia playing for Tom Brady, that was one.
Dog hit turbo mode out of absolutely nowhere.
Wait.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Some friendship. When it comes to fur, huskies are unmatched.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
Cats really turn into tiny action heroes around birds.
This furball's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Happy birthday to
Gary!
Not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Friend, oh, hello. Hello. Oh, did you feel that? He kicked you.
There's definitely a tiny creature in here, and I don't even need to prove it.
Huh.
Oh! I had to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Gary!
Oh, you didn't hurt your paw. You hurt your...
Sharky.
Damn it!
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to... Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad. Stop it. Oh!
Can you read this? Oh my!
Mr. Cuteness.
Marley, what do you think you're doing?
Kira, what you doing? Hi, buddy.
Sometimes you just need a little motivation to keep going.
To the weekend. What in the world?
Some dogs just can't resist a good mud bath.
Huh?
It really doesn't get cuter than this.
Trời ơi, trời ơi.
You could have gone the other way. Come on. You're so funny.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Literally just put fresh litter in here.
Hang on. Oh!
Tofu!
Out! Get out! Get out! No!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Can you read this? Oh my!
Again to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly. Holly. You're so...
唉，真是人生无常，大肠包小肠。
你好。
Oh, Lord.
Nope. These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Get him.
Buddy!
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
That's a bit too much help.
Era la torre, como era tipo torre, de diagonal también podía.
Torre por gordo azul.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
I can't let you outside.
Go on, man.
Stop hunting me. Why are you...
Oh no! Little buddy got stuck in an endless loop.
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Oh, nie zobaczyłem.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Oh my god.
Everyone.
You're what?
Ryan.
Go, baby!
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Just happened?
Looks like someone is.
Grandmas have always been the most comfortable place to nap.
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
The door where there was no window. She used to jump through it to go upstairs.
No way. No. No way.
Yeah, that dog definitely got the deepest clean of her life after this.
Poopsie?
Ooh! To the vet right now. How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
This. Yeah.
Sharky.
Damn it!
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Work, so don't look up here.
So sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little.
This.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Can I help you? Jim, you want more?
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Simba, you in here? Oh, okay. How am I supposed to fold?
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Doggo's helplessness just shows our kid has taken full advantage of childhood privileges.
Okay.
Shalalabosha.
Gary!
This is a story about a girl named.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep?
Gotta let it go, baby.
I'm skating with sugar, and what is this? What is that?